Hi, welcome to Alan Chong Idea Art. Before I start, I would like to welcome a special guest, Nala. She was with me before when I paint the Dwayne Johnson portrait. Nala is very quiet cat. She likes to sleep whole day compared to Neo, the other cat. Neo is very active. Which person I will demonstrate today is Chris Hemsworth. Chris Hemsworth is an Australian actor. Hemsworth is best known for playing Thor in 8 Marvel Cinematic Universe films, beginning with Thor 2011 and appearing more recently in Avengers Endgame 2019, which established him as one of the leading and higher-paid actors in the world. I was done a Hemsworth portrait in pencil sketching before. Please view back my previous video. Sleeping there. Okay, let's start now. For those still not yet subscribed my YouTube channel, please click it now. As usual, start from pencil sketch and complete the portrait with poster color. done the Chris Hemsworth portrait painting. Nana, meow, meow. Nice or not? Okay. Thank you for watching my video, my painting. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. With your support, I will continue make a good video for you. Write down your comment, give me your suggestion. Goodbye. See you again.